Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I show you how to curve text in Photopea. You can use curved text for editing such as making a logo. Let me show you with an example. The first step, type the text in the background or layer. Highlight the text, then click the Wrap button. Please select Style and set bend according to what you need. Look again at the example in the second text. We can adjust the position or modify by giving text color. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.